Honor has been diligently attending this court, and in fact, Your Honor, this court can also bear witness that a few times that she could not just make it for this honorable court, it was because for medical reasons on behalf of the children that she has adopted, because one of them needed to attend surgeries, various surgeries at Kenyatta National Hospital, owing to the account that they were frequently required to attend court, commute and travel from Nairobi to here. Your Honor, when it comes to the 11th accused person to run her late mother's estate and the properties that remain to the family after the demise of her mother. 13th accused person and 19th accused person. Your Honor, this matter officially began in Kilifi, where the accused persons were charged of various...
Yes.
Your Honor, can I begin?
Yes.
So, Your Honor, I am representing the 11th, 13th, and...
Ms. Minyazi?
My lady, I'll be doing oral submissions on behalf of the 15th and 17th accused person.
Okay, so
Your Honor, the 11th accused person has young children. For this honorable court, for today, owns a foundation. Your Honor, the same foundation is in charge of adopting needy children.